Have you ever wondered why every electrical device doesn't operate at the same speed or power? Why does a light bulb glow less intensely than an electric heater? The answer lies in a key concept known as electrical resistance. Imagine you're trying to walk down a narrow hallway packed with people. It's going to take some effort to get through, right? This is the essence of electrical resistance. It's the opposition or resistance that an electrical circuit or part of a circuit presents to electric current. Electrical resistance is deeply intertwined with two other fundamental concepts: current and voltage. Voltage is the force that pushes the current through a circuit, while the current is the flow of electric charge. The more resistance there is, the more voltage you'll need to get the same amount of current to flow. The unit of resistance is the ohm, symbolized by the Greek letter omega. You could think of it as a measure of how much a material opposes the flow of electricity. So, how do we measure resistance? It's quite straightforward, thanks to a handy equation known as Ohm's law. It tells us that the resistance is equal to the voltage divided by the current. What happens when we have resistance in a circuit? Well, it slows down the flow of current, which can be beneficial in many cases. For instance, think about a toaster. It uses resistance to slow down the current, producing heat that toasts your bread. But resistance isn't always our friend. The heat produced by resistance can be a side effect that we don't want. In an electrical wire, for instance, too much resistance can cause the wire to overheat, potentially leading to a fire. Resistance is so crucial that we have specific components designed to provide it. These are called resistors. They come in different shapes and sizes, each with a different amount of resistance, allowing us to control how much current flows in a circuit. To summarize, electrical resistance is a fundamental concept in electronics. It's a measure of how much a material opposes the flow of electric current, measured in ohms, and can be calculated using Ohm's law. Resistance affects the flow of current and the amount of heat produced, and we use resistors to control it. Understanding electrical resistance is not just for electricians or engineers. It's a concept that impacts all of us, from the functioning of our home appliances to the charging of our smartphones. So the next time you switch on a device, remember, there's a world of resistance working behind the scenes, making it all possible.